Hello, my name is Chris Gayner. I'm the Director of Labs for Symphony Ventures. And in this video series, we're looking to unpack some of the practical realities of intelligent automation, right from process automation up to machine learning. In this video, the final video of this short series, we're going to look at the concepts of digitization, digital labor, and digital decision-making as they apply to the enterprise. In the insurance industry, we've got a couple of examples. First with Davies Group, which is a UK claims processor who leverages digitization, digital labor, and digital decision-making tools to enable their center to process better, faster, bigger, etc. So what they're able to do is take digitization. They've created some, better front ends to accept information from customers. Equally, they're starting to use natural language processing in things like emails, complaints, and even taking in things like checks, customer checks. And what's happening is that between the digital interface and some of these basic machine learning tools, they're able to funnel the work through to their human workforce in a more consistent manner, more efficient manner, and actually use some of that digital labor to handle some of the easier, lower level tasks that enable a team of 4 to handle over 3,000 claims a day, 25% of which are those paper. Aegis is a non-life insurer who uses Tractable specifically around their image recognition for claims processing. So a customer, if they've been in an accident, can take a photo of the collision or the car accident, and Tractable have trained their system through thousands and thousands of other car accidents to identify how the severity of the accident, whether they need to send an ambulance, whether other people were hurt. Equally, they're able to deploy the tool to start to look for things like fraud and whether or not someone is or isn't actually trying to deploy an issue to the system. In the legal sector, legal technology such as ROS is really coming to the forefront here, with supporting a lot of the grunt work around data discovery, case discovery, equally due diligence. ROS uses IBM Watson under the hood, and it's able to leverage natural language processing to give lawyers at their fingertips a search engine to go through a corpus of data to find related case law. Through an iterative approach of search and selection, the lawyer is able to actually tweak the system as they go to find more and more relevant cases that will enhance their case. There are a plethora of other tools, Kira, Lumens, Case IQ, all of which take data discovery and either build it on with pulling in other information with external sources, internal sources, or they're trying to leverage machine learning and natural language processing in order to enhance the ability of the user to navigate around the system, equally the large repository of information. JP Morgan have recently announced a chatbot they use, so the digitization on the front end, and the chatbot actually links into a vast machine learning network in the back end, which actually looks to do a bunch of the heavy lifting around, again, data discovery, information discovery, content management, again, starting with the legal firm, helping them find information, but increasingly being rolled out across HR, procurement, and IT to help them start to manage content and data across their business as well. So again, what they're explored on is bring data digitization to the front end and use machine learning to pick up some of that pattern matching and pattern recognition in the back end. And the idea here is to bring these worlds together to create a more seamless, frictionless experience for both customer and user. So these are just a few examples to close out this short series. The world of intelligent automation, digital operations, machine learning, digitization, digital labor is complex. We have deliberately oversimplified it here for the sake of this short series. If you'd like to find out more about how these tools and technologies impact your organization, or if you're at the start of your automation journey and you're looking for a partner to support you along the way, please feel free to reach out to me. My email address is there. You can find me on LinkedIn. We're running a bunch of workshops around these as well, so whether it's education or just a conversation, please contact me. Thank you very much.